Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Doms.
Happy birthday, Dom.
What is up, what is good? Welcome back to the Blind Spot Photo Vlog, and if you haven't, make sure to click that subscribe button below, like this video for more. Alright, so before I start this video, I want to say thank you to Prince de Guzman Transformations and Awi de Guzman. This couple is amazing, to be honest. This shoot alone felt nostalgic. This felt good because if you guys have been long time fans, or if you guys know me, I started doing toy photography before I got into photography itself, like going outside and everything. Action figures were my thing, and though it's Marvel, but it's still comic book characters being portrayed now by my good friends who are also content creators. It just felt good, man. Also, Prince and I have been planning the shoot for a long time already, and it just got better. Awi joined in. She's doing really great. She's doing different looks as well. Make sure to check out her channel. All right, anyway, I don't want to shy away from the photography tips, so let's start. So as you guys can see, I did add some caution tapes. I used those water tanks. I know I've been using that for like more than a year, but I want to make it look different. I want to emphasize the character more than just the whole location. I added some lights into it, and also I made sure to use a different framing. I'll show you some pictures right here. So as you guys can see, I made sure to emphasize the character's details, not just the face, not just the emotions, but knowing the character. Like for this one example is Joker. I did emphasize the tattoos, the looks, and even the details of the face. I do apply that to shoots even outside cosplay or like comic book characters. You can apply that to your streetwear shoots or fashion shoots, because knowing your models, knowing the concept behind the shoot, knowing the vision of your client or your vision alone, knowing beyond what is the usual, adds up or helps when it comes to like planning or coming up with a great pose, coming up with a framing, coming up with composition and set design. All in all, it's a domino effect. During this shoot, I kind of applied what I learned from shooting streetwear brands to how I shoot comic book characters before. So there's a blast of colors, there's a blast of perspective as well, adding some like fourth wall kind of attempt, and as well as adding some details to my shot, like how I can't do it before with the toys. Now I can add it to the shots right now, like adding emotions, making sure that they portray the characters that they're dressed up as. And I added some personal touches into it, like for example the chains that I bought. As usual, I love using these chains recently. And also the characters that I shot before were like Marvel and kind of serious, so this time Harley Quinn is kind of out of it because she's a fun character and she has a really wild personality. So I kind of had Awi pose like fun and even like fierce poses as well. So it really helped having a variety of different emotions and poses. So yeah, just a few tips for you guys, especially when you're doing like a concept shoot. All right, so I hope it helps. By the way, during this shoot, I wasn't able to vlog when we were at the fire exit spot where it was a low light situation, but yeah, I'll show you some pictures and yeah, enjoy. I've been using this spot for like a long time, so anytime soon I'll be shying away from these spots already and try to look for more. So yeah, the whole time I was thinking about this, because I've been using the roof deck for a long time, so I had to add some details into it so that it will kind of differ. So yeah, it's a really big problem, especially when you're shooting at common places every now and then, like especially for like public places where everyone shoots. So you have to like make it look different. Framing will really tell a different story, concepts, and even the composition will really. Before I end this video, I want to say thank you again to Awi and Prince for being amazing models for this shoot, and also for having me as your photographer for this concept. So thank you guys. And also I want to say thank you for inviting me as well for the advanced screening of Birds of Prey here in the Philippines. It was a really fun one. I really enjoyed the movie. Make sure to check it out, guys. It will be out tomorrow, February 6th, here in the Philippines. So I think that's all for now, and I hope you guys had a great day and you learned something from this video. And that's all for now. Peace out. just a quick video naman. We're having dinner kasi, or we're gonna have dinner in a bit. So regalo ng kapatid ko to sa akin, and I'm already 28. Today's my birthday. So thank you guys sa lahat ng support. It's been another great year, lalo na sa community ng photographers and sa mga friends ko na na YouTubers. You know, thank you for all the support dahil sa family ko. So yun. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all. Peace out.